Hey guys, today we're just going to talk a little bit about some inserts being done on the browse. Good thing about the browse is obviously we can die cut and strip all in one go. So I'm going to get a chance to show you how that actually flows through in the factory. Okay guys, so starting with our plain sheet of box board, we load up our feeder, automatic feeds into the machine. This particular section here, this is where we put our forms to die cut our primary shape of whatever it is that we're after. The good thing about what we're doing on this machine is automatically putting in a stripping form to remove the actual holes from the job. Trying to do that manually is way too time consuming and not cost effective, so this is going to save a whole lot of time and make the job better quality and cheaper. Stripping form section is in here. It'll actually strip out all the internals of the holes, drop down into a waste bin. From that point on, it'll just flow through to the delivery. Straight out the back. This particular one is only a 2-up form, but still a lot quicker than trying to do it by hand. Job comes out, ready to go. All we have to do is essentially pack it onto the pallet.
All right.
We're good?
Yep, we're good.
Out and in?
Out and in.
Out and in.
All right. And wait 1 sec.
Just take those old records off.
Okay, so this is just demonstrating the stripping form. So 2 parts to this, male and female. It's the male form, obviously the female form, and the purpose of these two is to automatically strip out all of the holes. Nobody wants to do that manually, it's way too time consuming, so we can do that all in the same pass. It's just a lot more cost effective for everybody. Okay, so this is the final process guys, obviously out onto the pallet once it's been through the delivery. As you can see, it's come out fully stripped, ready to go. This process obviously is a lot more time efficient, so if there's any of this that interests you that you can't do in-house and you need a bit of help with, just contact us. Happy to work with you and you know, see in any way we can. So appreciate your time, and we'll see you on the next video. We're good to go.
Yeah, we're good to go.
Oh my god, alright. Now I'm gonna get straight face. You can wait for me for a second.
Inglis is making the He's gone down the narrow.
Just one more take.
Love that. Okay. You're an arsehole, bitch.
You've done so well.
Yeah.